Hello and welcome to Leo English Hub lecture number 22, and today we are going to practice more vocabulary, more words which are useful for our new topic to speak and write, and it is about how do I learn English online. So before we move ahead, before we proceed guys, I request you to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any update, and it would support us in presenting all the latest and good information for your journey of learning good English speaking and writing. So here we have the first set of words which are important to make the topic of how do I learn English online, and these words are not just limited for this topic, the current topic on your screen, but it can be utilized anywhere ever, because you never know that which word or which phrase would come in your use while speaking or writing in English. So here we have the first set of words on your screen. You can write them down and try to use them while preparing the topic in writing and in speaking both. How do I learn English online? And these words are specifically designed for the topic on your screen at the moment, the heading, the title, how do I learn English online. And you can use all these words, and those friends who are new to our channel, I request them that they go to our playlist section of our channel and start learning from the very first lecture, that is lecture number 1. So how can you learn? I would suggest you that you start with lecture 1, one day one lecture only. Next day you can take second lecture, and for the whole day you practice one single lecture, and all the lectures are available on our playlist. You can learn English in different languages. You can choose the language of your interest, and let's move ahead guys over here on the next screen with more words on it. So yes, what I was telling to the new viewers of our channel, that they should start with the playlist section, and they should choose the language they want to learn in, and they must start with lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3 respectively on every day. And practicing is more important. Sometimes they can skip new videos and revise older videos, and also they can revise the notes which they might have made during this journey. And it is really very helpful that you cover up all these words while preparing for writing and speaking of the topic, how do I learn English online. So it is really very important. And apart from these words that are on your screen, and the words which we have learned in earlier lectures as well, apart from them all, if you still have any query about any pronunciation, any word that you don't understand the meaning, you can always comment in our comment section, and as soon as I see those questions, I would reply them as soon as possible guys. So this is it for today guys. I request again you to subscribe our channel, because more important information are coming in the forthcoming lectures. And thank you guys for joining our channel, and thank you for your support.